Okay, we're away. It's walking back towards hotel. I'll show you how busy it is right now. It's like 8:30, evening obviously, it's dark as fuck. And we're just going to take a walk back to the hotel. Because, yeah. Man selling flowers. I can't afford flowers right now. I have to save all my money for beer and taxis. I'm in the yard going to drink more beers. Been drinking all day, to be honest. How I'm still standing is a minor miracle, my friends. There's a brave man there, look. That's how you cross the road in Tbilisi. You just fucking do it. What a boss. What an absolute boss he was. Yeah, this time of night, this street is busy as fuck. I'm going to catch the metro shortly over to the other side of the river just to get some sense of the chaos. It's workable chaos. I think that goes from the massage place, both of them perhaps. Difficult to know. But they didn't cost me this time, so that is a bonus. You have to see that as a bonus, don't you? But I think I'm going to make it back without getting run over, because I've developed the skills to avoid getting run over. Maybe not as good as that man earlier that just went for it like a boss. I have done that a couple of times today. And I'm still talking, so assume I'm not dead, isn't it? See, that's where you've got to watch the man turning into the side street like that. It could happen any time. This one could go, this one, no, I'm okay. I'm okay, my friends, I am alive. All the babushkas and the gypsies come out begging for money at this time of night as well, but I don't have much left because I gave it to them before. So all my change has been annihilated. See this building here? It's like derelict. This big fucking metal fence was there last year. I should buy that and turn it into a fucking music venue. Live music venue. It'd be fucking mint. Sorry for swearing. I don't think kids watch my channel anyway. Most of the stuff is, of course, marked not for children because I am unable to stop swearing. But this is the bomb. Last night in Tbilisi, I am just getting wasted, to be honest. Walking and wasted. Listening to Peanut Assassin songs. That's a good point. Plug the Peanut Assassin channel while I'm here. Please go and subscribe to our music channel, Peanut Assassin Music, for songs for everybody. There's I don't know what that place is. I think it's a phone shop. That woman in the colourful top is the one that walks the dogs. The one that, like, when I go and see them, they come fucking running and she looks at me like a piece of shit. It's not as busy here as I thought it would be, actually, but it will be once we get back to the other side of the river. You wait, my friends. It will be fucking chaos over there when I go. But I just need to sort myself out, and that doesn't mean like, yeah, I just need to go and get ready for this mission. Maybe not take everything with me. Anyway, I hope you're getting a good sense of, this is like Turkish restaurants and stuff here, Lebanese restaurants, massage centre Tbilisi, which They never accost me. They're not the ones. It is the ones on the corner that usually accost me. Or man in street, like the other day, if anyone saw that, man in street just came over to me, and I still am not sure if he was offering me a massage, wanted me to pay for him to have one. It's very difficult to understand. There's a big fuck off tourist bus. It's not very interesting. Yeah. This is, I think this used to be an old fountain, and the pigeons are usually here and there. The babushkas come and they feed them bread and crumbs like by the bag full. Those pigeons are well fed. And there we have over there, Spice Garden, the best Indian restaurant in Tbilisi. If anyone fucking comes here, you go there and you order tikka chicken masala. You can't go wrong. It's so nice. Okay, this video is getting quite long, but we're almost at the corner where I must turn, so I'm gonna shut this off for now, and I'll be back once I've made it to the other side of the city. See you shortly, my friends.